Let's walk through the crypto tax calculator. It shows how much IRS you pay when you sell crypto in Portugal, and whether your gain is taxed or exempt. First, your purchase value, what you originally paid for the crypto. Let's enter 5,000 euros. Next, your sale value, what you sold it for. We'll put in 8,000 euros. Then any costs, like the exchange commissions on buying and selling. We'll use 50 euros. Now, how many days you held the crypto? This is the key field. From 365 days, the gain becomes exempt. We held it 200 days. And finally, the tax rate. 28% is the standard autonomous rate, but you can change it to your marginal rate if you opt for aggregation. Instantly, the calculator shows your capital gain, the IRS due, and the net gain you keep after tax. Because we held for less than 365 days, the gain is taxed at 28%. That's it. Hold for a year or more and the gain becomes exempt. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.